Hello, hey, want to congratulate you on buying a Coaxsher Wildland fire pack. So this is going to be our assembly instructions for the FS-1 fire pack series. The beginning of the video is going to be the FS-1 Mojave, then we're going to go to the FS-1 spotter, and then we're going to go to the FS-1 Ranger. So depending on what product you bought, the Mojave is going to be the beginning of the video, the spotter, the middle, and the Ranger is going to be at the end. Thank you. This is the FS-1 Mojave assembly instructions. So out of the box, you're going to get the harness, the water reservoir case, and a fire shelter case. The fire shelter case can either be mounted for right hand deployment or left hand deployment. Okay, you also have MOLLE straps on the back you can attach on the side of the hip belt. It's very simple. These yellow straps here is your drop down fire shelter cases. You just click that in, and then you got two buckles here on the bottom. And that's how you attach the fire shelter case to the pack. That's your FS-1 Mojave. Building off of the FS-1 Mojave, we're now going to talk about the FS-1 spotter. So out of the box, again, you're going to get the harness, the water reservoir case, the fire shelter case. We already showed you how to attach that. With the spotter, you're going to get a 700 mod. Basically, you got a buckle off the fire shelter case there. You got your top buckle on the harness. You click in there. Then you have two side buckles. That's how you attach the 700 mod to the pack. With the spotter, you also get a water bottle case. Comes with the MOLLE straps, which you can attach to either side of the hip belt. And that's your FS-1 spotter. All right, now we're going to get into the FS-1 Ranger. Again, you're going to receive the harness, the water reservoir case, and the fire shelter case. We've shown you how to attach that. You're also going to receive a 1500 pack mod and a 400 pack mod, okay? The way this goes together is you got two buckles at the bottom. It snaps in right there. We're also going to do a buckle up top here. There's two buckles. I'll show you what's going on. This first buckle strap, you're going into the top of the harness right there. This one here is a load stabilizer strap, which snaps into the shoulder yoke right there, okay? Then also you got your side buckles. You want to put that through the port, connect that to the harness that way, and we're doing the same thing on this side. So now your 1500 mod is attached to the harness. Now what you got is you got your 400 mod, which snaps in just right here. Again, these buckles go through that side port right there on the water bottle side pockets. And that's your 400 mod. So this is a fully assembled FS-1 Ranger. And just to let you know, you can release this, same thing. Disassemble this thing. Again, this is FS-1 pack series modular. A lot of options you can work with. So you take this guy off. You can attach the 400 mod if you want to do light mop up. You're not looking to carry a bunch of stuff. And so that attaches, same thing. Over here. So this is the FS-1 Ranger, just modified. If you keep this in the truck, you can run light duty. If you want, you can reattach this. So that's your FS-1 Ranger.